when people come and approach you and say, Stu, I need help with my business. We've got problems 1, 2, 3. What do those problems normally tend to be in terms of sort of like, I guess, most common versus, sort of least common?
The most common, and these are surface layer things, and sort of my job as a strategist is to scratch below the surface, but what's presented, let's say I'm a GP, right? What's presented as symptomatic is, I don't know where to start with content. And my question to them is, do you even need to be doing organic social content as part of your business marketing strategy? Or are you just thinking that because everyone else is doing it, you need to be doing it? And that'll normally lead to a question of, well, who are your target audiences and what have you got to get to them? That's the first one is, I don't know where to start with content marketing. I've got a Facebook page or I've got an Instagram account. Every now and then I post in it. I don't really get anything in return. But I know, in their mind, I know I need to do better is a common thing that's said. And when I'm scratching below the surface, I'm challenging those questions, those biases around I have to be doing well in social media, right? Like lawyers don't have to be doing well on Facebook social media, right?
Yeah.
And reciprocally, I know some nutrition coaches, right, who have 7 different channels. They're on every single channel and they're doing every single one poorly, right? So the first one is I don't know how to approach content marketing or social media. The next one is I don't know which channel to be posting on. That's so common, right? Should I be on TikTok, Stu? Well, what about TikTok? What about Reels? If I'm on that, where do I go about doing it? Or who do I talk to? And again, it's this channel first concept rather than stepping back and saying, well, who are the last 6 clients I acquired that I love? Right? Who are my best last 6 clients? Where did they come from? Was it word of mouth? Was it email? Was it my website? Right? And how do I just magnify or amplify the magic that got them there? Right? Because if you can focus on whatever that happens to be, you can sometimes double, triple your client acquisition merely by tweaking one thing, right? Rather than starting a whole lot of things. And this is a challenge with entrepreneurs, me included. We love shiny new things. We love creating. We wouldn't be in business if we weren't all a creative of some sort. We're creating it. Like you've created a business. I've created multiple businesses. I love the process of making a new thing. And that can be to our disadvantage quite often in things like marketing, because I want to create a whole new website. That'll be the solution to all my problems because it'll be SEO compliant. And I don't know anything about SEO, but I've heard that that's important. Therefore, I'm going to spend $5,000 on my 4th iteration of the same bloody website with the same content. So